Android 11 – How to install Android 11 Developer Preview on your phone. Google has released the Android 11 Developer Preview, and if you have a compatible Pixel smartphone then you can download it right now. While we are going to show you how to download and install Android 11 Developer Preview right now, remember that this is beta software, which means that there are going to be a lot of missing features and bugs, and a lot of basic features probably won't work properly. You can install Android 11 Developer Preview at your own risk, because if things go wrong, you understand the risks. Be sure to try this on a secondary device. Work. Well, you simply connect your phone to your computer via USB and visit the Android Flash tool on any web browser that supports WebUSB, such as Chrome or Microsoft Edge 79 or newer versions. With that said, keep reading as we tell you how to install the Android 11 Developer Preview on your smartphone. List of compatible devices. The Android 11 Developer is currently only supported on all Google Pixel smartphones except the first-generation models. How to install Android 11 Developer Preview on your phone. Here's how to install Android 11 Developer Preview on your Google Pixel smartphone. You have to first enable the developer options on your Pixel smartphone. To do that, go to Settings, About Phone greater than, scroll down and click on Build number 10 times. This will enable the developer options for your device. Now go back and tap System greater than, tap Advanced greater than, tap Developer Options. Over here you'll first need to enable OEM unlocking. Once done, scroll down a bit and enable USB debugging as well. On your computer, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge version 79 or above, and visit this website. If you're using a Windows 10 computer for the flashing process, download the Google USB driver for Windows. You don't need any additional drivers on Mac. Once the Android Developer Preview website is loaded, connect your phone to your computer and on the website click on the Android Flash tool link next to your device name. On the next page, you'll get a pop-up asking for permission. Click OK. On your phone, you'll be asked to allow USB debugging. Tap Allow for that. Doing this will authenticate your device and your phone will be connected. In case your phone doesn't get connected, click on Add New Device greater than, a pop-up will appear. Click on your phone's name greater than, click Connect. You'll now get a pop-up on your phone. Tap Allow. Your phone will now be connected. Once your phone is connected, click on the box where your phone's name is mentioned. On the next page, click on the pencil icon, next to selected build. Over here, you can enable the Lock Bootloader option in case you want to ensure that your phone's bootloader is locked once the process is finished. Finally, hit Install. You'll now be asked to avoid interacting with your phone. Hit Confirm and then click I accept. Now, you'll be asked to factory reset your phone. Click Yes on your computer. Tap Allow * on your phone. Your phone will now reboot to its bootloader screen. Apart from this, you'll be able to see the current status of your phone on your computer's screen. While waiting, you might see a pop-up on the computer screen asking to reselect the device. This might happen if you're flashing your phone for the first time. Go ahead and click on Reselect Device. You'll now get another pop-up. In that, click Android greater than, click Connect greater than. You'll see one more pop-up asking you to unlock the bootloader. Click Start. On your phone's screen, navigate to unlock the bootloader with the volume keys and select it by hitting the power button. The Android 11 download will now start. You'll be able to track the progress on your computer's screen. So, once the software is downloaded and finished installing, you'll be asked to lock your phone's bootloader. Click Start. Then on your phone, select Lock the bootloader. Navigate with the volume keys and select by clicking the power button. Lastly, tap Done on your computer's screen. Now, wait while your phone reboots. Once this is done, on your computer you'll see a message that reads, Software successfully updated. You can then start setting up your device and unplug it from the computer. Once the device is set up, you'll have a Pixel phone running Android 11 along with the May 5, 2020 security patch. By following these simple steps, you will be able to install the Android 11 Developer Preview on your compatible Pixel smartphone.